Hey, this is Nate from PartsPak.com. Today we're going to be changing out the water inlet for potable water. On the back there was a nipple for the vent line, and the nipple broke off, so we're going to just replace this whole assembly. We've got a Valterra brand gravity water inlet assembly. Alright, so this came off a lot quicker and easier than I thought. All I did was just take a screwdriver and pry it in a couple different spots, and it started to loosen up, and I was able to pry off the whole unit. Once this is off, you'll see there's a hose clamp. I'll use a screwdriver or a wrench to loosen that up, and then right over here is where the old vent nipple was that broke off. So when we put the new unit in, we'll have a clear piece of tubing that will attach to the nipple here. Alright, so I'll do that next. Alright, so we've got the large and small hose attached to the fittings, and we've put on the hose clamps. We just dry fitted the inlet, and we noticed that the 3 screw holes are slightly in different spots, so we're going to drill some new holes. But first, you can see there the kit comes with a sealant, and we're just going to put the sealant on the back of the plastic inlet before we drill those holes. The sealant stays pretty moist, so that was why it was so easy to get the bad inlet off. And by drilling new holes, we won't be forcing the screws in the 3 screw holes. We don't want the plastic fitting to crack in another couple years because we've added some stress to it. Alright, we'll tighten all of those up, just going around the circle, trying not to put too much strain on any one hole, and we're hoping to see a little bit of that putty ooze out. I think we're good. And the cap goes on, and we've got a new inlet ready to go for another, hopefully, 10 or 20 years. Thanks for watching. We'll put the links to the supplies for this project down below, and we appreciate you shopping at PartsPak.com, where you get outdoor fun in every box.